Morning. Well, we are going to do a little bit of a smoky eye today. So you can see I've got some purples going, and I've smoked out that eyeliner. Even though I used the black eyeliner, I've softened it a bit by smoking it out. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. All right, enjoy.
If you're like me and you're over 40, those harsh lines really aren't working for you anymore, so you might try this instead. Now I've already done the rest of my makeup and primed my eyes, and now I'm going to use my fluffy brush, and I'm going to take Biscotti, which is a nice neutral color, kind of matches my skin tone actually. I'm pretty pale. I'm going to put that all over the lid with the soft fluffy brush. Now moving on, we're going to use Soft Heather as our primary color. Okay, and we're going to put it right there in the bottom outer half of the lid, and then we're just going to circular motion or windshield wiper motion, either one. We're going to blend it towards the middle. Blend it towards the middle and up. A little more. We're going to go in with a second layer. It's always good, rather than putting a ton on your brush, to use a light hand and repeat the step if you want more color or deeper color. And now I'm going to take this deeper color. This came in the pinks from the spring. It's kind of a pinky purple. Okay, so I'm going to add some richness and depth. These are super saturated, so again, we're going to blend, blend, blend. That looks pretty blended. And now I'm going to take a smudger brush. I have two of these. I use one for light colors, one for dark colors. This is my light color smudger brush, and I'm going to dip here in Blossom. This is a light pink color. So we're just lightening up that inner corner. Okay. All right, next step, we're gonna go with our liner. Okay, for this one, I like to use our pencil liner because it's very soft and easily smudged into place. So first I'm gonna do my lash line, and I do that by just gently lifting my lid just a little bit and doing my lash line. It's not really wet lining, it's just along my lash line. And then I'm gonna go over top of my lash line, just above my lash line, and add some liner. So again, up underneath, right at the lash line. Add some above my lash line as well here. Putting it on there messy because we're gonna be smudging it all into place. So don't worry that the line's not completely perfect. Now I'm going to use my smudger brush that I use with dark colors. And I'm going to dip back into our Soft Heather, that light purple color. And that's what we're going to use to smudge it out. And just along that upper lash line, boom, 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 just smudging, smudging, smudging. Good. And a little bit. Bring it underneath a little bit. There we go. No harsh line. And see how soft that is compared to the other side. Okay, now let's do the other side. Smudge, smudge, smudge. Just a back and forth motion, gently, very gently. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna curl our lashes. So, best tip for curling lashes is get right next to the lash line, right up against there, and then come out a little bit and do a second crimp. So right up close, release, bring it out, and clip again. Okay, eyelashes are curled, ready to put on our Panorama, my favorite mascara. Wiggle it at the bottom and then bring it out to the ends, and I'm gonna reapply a second coat. And I pay special attention to kind of my mid-eye, if that makes any sense. Really reapply there a lot, and then get that inner corner a little bit. I have some little tiny hairs on the inner corners. I don't have a ton of eyelashes, so for some of you this may be a little easier. You just put on a little mascara and you go, but I need a little more, so I try to get every single little lash I have because I don't have that many. All right, we're gonna do our bottom lashes. Now for me, I don't have very many bottom lashes, and I mostly have them mid-eye as opposed to on the edges. So I just kind of get those babies really well. But you can see I've only got about 10 on the bottom, I think. So I try to get them It does help make the eyes look more wide open when you do your bottom lashes. Okay, we're gonna finish off with our finishing spray. It might look like it went all up under my chin, but I promise it went on my face. I can feel it. Let that air dry. All right, we're ready to go. That's our final look. Thank you guys. Try it out and let me know what you think. Send me a picture of you.